Okay, so how does it work if you want to turn on the AirPods Max? Well, this might be kind of confusing because there is actually no turning on or power on slash off button on the AirPods. There is no such thing, right? So the way that you can turn them on is essentially when you remove them from the smart case. When you take the AirPods Max outside of the case, the connection is ready. The AirPods are like turned on, looking for Bluetooth devices to be connected to. So if everything is turned on and your AirPods are paired already, the process of, or the act of taking them out of the case is essentially turning them on, right? So this is how it works. It is made by Apple, so it is really intuitive and like convenient to use them. But I personally would kind of like to get that turning off or power on button, but we do not have it. Also, if you would like to just connect them to a brand new device, you can hold down on both the buttons on the side of the AirPods like for a few seconds, and this will essentially initiate a new connection to a different device. So this is kind of like a reset or reconnecting to a different iPhone or whichever phone or device it is, but this can technically be considered to be turning them on for a different user. If you would like to turn on some specific features like the noise canceling mode, then you can just press the longer button on the AirPods and play around with them, and that's how you can just turn them on in terms of like specific features. So that's it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you with this issue. Let me know below in the comments if you have some more questions or thoughts about it. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and for more explanation videos like this one, subscribe so you never miss them in the future.